Hi, fourth graders. Welcome to room 14. My name is Mrs. Knowlton and I'm going to be your teacher this year. I wanted to take a moment to walk you around our room so you could see what it looks like. So you will come in our door and you will see to the side there is a sink, our Chromebooks and mailboxes, agenda, our champs board, our screen and my smart cart, and we also have a view of the playground. All of your desks are sitting here lonely, waiting for you to come and fill them up. I am really looking forward to meeting each and every one of you. I can't wait to see you on the first day. I'm going to pick you up by the doors on the playground, and then we're gonna come right into the classroom and you can put your backpack right on the back of your chair so we can wash our hands and eat breakfast first thing. As you're eating breakfast, I'll give you instructions on what to do and how you can organize your materials. So don't worry about doing that right away. Just come in and sit down and relax. We're gonna have an awesome year.